They really thought that they could get away with what they did to you. The first card is find the lesson. Discover the purpose in a situation. Trust that you are learning. 2 and 9. This has something to do with you and another person, obviously, right? But I feel like, unfortunately for yourself, butterflies, you are finding the lesson because of this actual experience with this individual. You know, this is a harsh truth that was bestowed upon you. You know, you were forced to face some type of harsh reality. This could be in regards to some type of partnership, some type of business partnership, a friend that you met at a place of learning, or a friend that you worked with. And you're learning that this person was untrue. You're learning that this individual was very deceitful. You were being your true, authentic self. And because you operate in this state, you just assumed that this individual would also be in this energy. And unfortunately for you, you know, I've learned my lessons as well, right? People will just be peopling. Sometimes people can be weird, just to be blunt with you. And it's very unfortunate, especially when you know that you would never do harm onto another the way individuals have chosen to harm you. Whether that was through, you know, gossip or bullying, harassment, telling lies on your name, etc. Trying to spin the narrative. It's just beneath you to do something like that to someone. If you don't like someone, you're the type of person that would leave people alone. You're not the type of person that will gang up on another. You're not the type of person that will make someone feel small. You're actually the type of person that will, you know, go towards that person that everyone else is ignoring. And sometimes in those types of situations, there's a reason why people are ignoring a person. In some cases, no, maybe someone is actually getting bullied and you have that way about you where you feel to yourself, no, I don't like the way that person's being isolated. I want to become their friend. I want to give them a chance. You may give these people a chance and they end up betraying you. And this is the lesson that you are learning, that not everyone is like you. And one does have to have discernment. One, in some cases, has to become one's own best friend. Not everyone deserves access to our energy. Okay? Set the course. We have know where you wish to go, have a plan, the right direction. At the time, you weren't really thinking about what direction you wanted your life to go in. So you may have got swept away within a toxic environment, with toxic friends, with a toxic partner. And again, you saw the best in this person, but look, we've got the Cheshire Cat here and we've got the Cheshire Cat here. So this is indicating that this individual was hiding behind a hidden mask. Maybe they were smiling, but they were green with envy in regards to you. There was a certain jealousy that they had towards you, even if it is someone from an opposite gender, right? They were jealous of your power. They were jealous of your skill. They were jealous of your charm, the way you can command a room. They were jealous of the attention that you got. They could have been jealous of your looks. Please take what resonates, right? And you're looking back and you're thinking, whenever you were around them, things weren't really popping off for you. Like, when you think about not being around them now, you're noticing that you've got more energy. You're noticing that you're more happier. Your mind's more clearer, because they had a very stuck energy. And because they had this stuck energy, it kept you stuck. It kept you in a state of not knowing which direction to go in. It's always tea time. This person wanted to pour rubbish into your cup for you to drink, so that you can be as stuck as they are, so that you can be as confused as they are. They knew what they were doing. Literally, it says eternity, endless moments, repetition. Yeah, you felt bored with this person, but out of obligation and possibly loyalty in some cases, you stayed in this situation. Maybe people were trying to warn you, keep away from that person. Look, they're not who they say they are. They're a Cheshire Cat, or they're, you know, of that. I wouldn't say that they say that they're a Cheshire Cat, but they're not the funny, jovial, you know, they're sinister, because this actual cat, look, it looks sinister, right? So yeah, people are like, listen, mind that cat don't bite, you know, because boy, And you could have been like, no, it's my friend, it's my partner, it's my this, it's my that, I've known them a long time. And you may have become very protective of this person because you felt sorry for them. You may have felt like, oh, people are being so mean, people are bullying, or whatever the case is. But this is what people saw, and you may have, you know, chosen to see something different. You saw basically through their toxicity. I feel like you were trying to see through the heart of them, but this person was keeping you stuck, and you realize that, you know what, this person's a bit toxic, you know. And I feel like maybe this person felt like you were getting away, so they turned on you. Or I feel for some of you, this person was planting things in your head. They were manipulating you. See how he's pouring the cup there? They may have been trying to manipulate you. They may have been trying to manipulate, because there should be more people on this table, right? There's other cups here. You know, where the party at, right? Where's the guest at? This person had a way whereby they were able to get people to move away from you. They started to become very controlling. They started to spin a narrative. Maybe they made people feel like it's the same person, isn't it? Yeah. Maybe they made people feel as if you didn't like them or you were off limits. There was something of that sort, but they tried to control you. They tried to manipulate you. They tried to, you know, poison people's mind about you. Maybe they tried to take your character in some way, but they're going to get karma for it. They're going to get karma. Law is not justice. Rules that are not fair. So you're realizing that your interaction with this person has brought you nothing but bad luck. And you feel like things are not fair. And they're not fair. And whatever this person did to you, they're going to get karma for it. Is what Spirit is saying. Number 3, yeah. So this person could have Gemini in their chart. This person could be a Capricorn. This person could be a Cancerian. This person could also be a Taurus, right? But I feel like this person will face some type of karma because they brought karma into your life. They put burdens into your life. And you're thinking, but I was nothing but nice to you. How could you do this? For some of you, this person stole money. For some of you, this person got you in trouble, maybe with the law. For some of you, this person, they done the most, you know. They may have ruined a reputation. They may have told lies on your name, right? And now you have woken up. Before you were sleeping, when you were around this person, you wanted to see the good in this person, but it's like the universe has forced you to see that this person is toxic. They're literally destroying your life. They need to go. And you've woken up. You realize, you know what? I'm going to keep my heart. I'm not going to harden my heart because of their actions, but I'm going to choose who I open up my heart to.